Hey everybody, my name is Caitlin Macias, and I teach nonprofits, small businesses, and entrepreneurs how to use and leverage AI. So for this video, we're going to teach you how to create your own custom GPT. So first, you're going to navigate to ChatGPT and then to the sidebar. Open the sidebar and go to GPTs. This is where you'll find all kinds of GPTs to explore, like DALL-E for image generation, or you can even look at your astrology birth chart. Next, you're going to go to Create. And you're going to have Configure and Create. We're going to go into the Create, where you're going to type in natural language what you want the GPT to be and some specific instructions for ChatGPT to generate it. So I want to create a custom GPT to act as my LinkedIn content creator. Make sure that the tone is professional, and I would like it to create long form and short form thought leadership in the Bot Queen voice. So now that I've typed in my prompt, it's going to ask me some follow-up questions. Do I like the name? Change it to Bot Queen Content Creator. It's generating a profile picture. Ooh, that's cool. Love it. I want it to inspire action and create discussion. This is when you'll have a conversation with the AI, refining what you want your GPT to be, how you want it to act, etc. Educational content and also have insight into the latest trends. So as you can see right here on the right side, it's creating my preview. Ooh, I want it to be memorable and funny, but insightful. No thanks. All set. So now I'm going to give it a test run. Yes. Create for me a post on 3 of the latest AI trends for LinkedIn. So now it's creating that post for me. Now I'd like to go into Configure, and this is where I'll have the name, the description of the GPT, and all the instructions. These conversational starters are the ones that you see right here on the right, and I can, for example, add another conversational starter. For example, create an engaging short form piece for LinkedIn. And then here's the really important part. You can add knowledge and upload your files. And then here at the bottom, you can, for example, put that it can search the web, it can generate images, etc. And so we want to keep that without the code. All right, and now we're going to click Create. And I want to make sure that it's only available to me. This is where you could share it, for example, or put it in the GPT store. Or if you have ChatGPT team, you can share it with your colleagues. I'm going to save it. View GPT. And there we go. This is where you could ask, for example, or click on one of these questions. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.